In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit images on your site, Squarespace 7.1. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head into your website by clicking your site title. This takes you into the place where you can make visual changes that your visitors will actually see. Give it a second to load. Once you're inside, you'll be looking at your site preview with editing controls. Next, enter editing mode by clicking the highlighted edit control on the page. You'll see the page outline come to life. With sections and blocks, you can hover over. Move your cursor to the area that contains the image you want to adjust so the controls appear. Now, select the image itself by clicking the highlighted image block. This opens that block's settings panel on the side. If you don't see it at first, click directly on the image again until the panel slides out. You're in the right place when you can see options specific to how that image looks and behaves. Open the Design area by choosing the Design tab in the panel. This is where Squarespace groups style controls for that specific block, separate from content like the image file or caption. It's a handy spot because any changes you make here update in real time on the page preview. Find and click the Fit option. Fit determines how your image is displayed inside its container. Cover will crop the image slightly to fill the space edge to edge, which is great for hero images and consistent layouts. Contain keeps the entire image visible without cropping, which can add letterboxing if the container ratio doesn't match. Choose the one that best supports your layout and the subject of your photo. If a field appears for a custom value, type in the highlighted value that suits your design. Depending on the block, this might be a specific size, a ratio, or another numeric setting. For example, you might enter a square ratio for product shots, a widescreen ratio for banners, or a precise size to align with your grid. Type carefully, and watch the preview update so you can confirm it looks right. Finally, apply your changes by clicking the highlighted confirmation control to save. Look over the page to make sure spacing, captions, and any text around the image still read well. If everything looks good, finalize your edits so they're live. Pro tip: before you wrap up, take a quick glance at the mobile view in the preview controls to make sure your chosen fit works on smaller screens. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in polish across devices. That's it. Your image is edited and neatly fitted on Squarespace 7.1.